Welcome back to the channel. This is GB Speaks Facts, and today I'm here to speak some facts. And the fact that today is fast food store Karens hands down reign the champion as most annoying Karens, aside from the racial ones. And in today's video, you guys are going to rank the worst to the super worst. Before we get into it though, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell to stay tuned on another Karen crazy action. And now that you've done that, let's roll the clip. So this Karen must be on a different universe and forgot which universe she was in. So us in universe 1 do not understand what you were talking about, Karen. But you'll see what I'm talking about here.
For you, with the eyes of endurance, they are acting out aggressively with their voices and thoughts in their head that is not consecutive to reality. That is not conducive to reality. And they are eluding you, and they hear voices. You hear voices, girl. I can see how your eyes are searching to find a voice that is nobody can see. The same as the General Garner did to me. I see how your eyes are searching.
Okay, so this man-child started to whine because a lady accidentally ran over his toe with a cart and then started to get into it with a customer. Be a man and get over it, Karen. Let's take a look.
Shut up. I'm not, he's being rude. Dude, what kind of lady does that? It's a pig-headed thing. It's rude.
Moron.
Look at this.
You're a fucking idiot. You angel fan.
Dude, take a look at it. What you wearing? It's a shirt.
I know, but you're being silly. I'm being
Take a look at this.
Look at what? It was an
Look at it on
Did you do it
freaking
on
crushed
purpose?
toes.
You did it on purpose? Do you think you
Tell
did
that
it
to
on
my
purpose?
broken freaking
Do you
toes.
think you did it on purpose?
It's
Do you
negligence.
think that you did it on
Negligence.
purpose?
It's
Moron.
negligence causes harm.
Moron.
Dude, you're so thick-headed.
Whatever. You're
Take your
thin-headed.
fucking head
That's right.
somewhere
Fuck
else,
on.
dude.
Go. Get the fuck out of here.
Easy for you to say. You're not the one all busted up.
It is. I would never do that. Someone did it to me. It was an accident.
Dude, that's real big of you.
It is.
You stand in there.
I'm standing
intact.
right here. Face.
Trash. You know what?
Why?
You just look in the mirror.
I'm looking at it. Idiot.
So this racist Karen decides to go on a racial tirade, throwing out every black slur you could probably think of in the book on the subway. Prepare yourself for the madness.
You like being called a nigger, right? That's because you act like a nigger, B-boy. Alright? You act like a nigger, B-boy. I said to stay the f*** away from me. I said it! I wasn't talking to you, alright? Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. I'm calling ugly black niggers the N-word. Yeah. Barack sent you? Barack sent you? I'm gonna have a restraining order against Barack and his bitch, Sally Kim, okay? Sally, shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to you anymore. You're mental retarded. You're mentally retarded. I don't want to talk to you, Sally. Stay the f away from me. You're okay, black vagina. I don't want to talk to black vagina anymore. You know who you are? You're a black vagina. Yeah, you are? You know you're a black vagina. And everyone who you, your black vagina, is an automatic. Okay? Every man who your black vagina is a. What are you? A mediator? Huh? A peacemaker? Are you a peacemaker?
She's going viral.
I'm going to get a restraining order against Sally Kim. She's stalking me everywhere I go.
You got a gun?
Everywhere I
You
go.
got a gun because you talking crazy.
I'm talking crazy?
Yeah.
What am I saying? I'm speaking the truth, right? Right? She has a black vagina. I don't think that she have a black vagina. Is a black vagina. Okay? I told you to stay away from me, Barack. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, Sally. Okay? You f***ing black vagina.
An entitled Karen thought she could request a replacement sandwich due to her sandwich being cold, but did not want to provide the store the cold sandwich. Let's see how that went.
Good afternoon. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Hi, yes, my McDouble is cold. Can you replace it?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
My McDouble is cold. Can you replace it? Hello?
You can pull to the rail. Past the 2 windows.
Thank you.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. My McDouble was cold. Can you replace it?
I need your McDouble.
Okay, you can make my other McDouble and we can trade off.
Huh? I didn't hear you.
You can make my other McDouble and we can trade off.
No, we don't trade off. In order for us to replace the sandwich, we have to get the sandwich that was
Could you
wrong.
please remake my McDouble?
We will remake it once we get the old sandwich.
Okay, can I have my receipt? Because I never got it either.
I'm sorry?
Can I have my receipt?
Yeah, we'll get you a receipt. We have to print it out.
Okay, give me my receipt. I'll stay right here.
You can't stay right here, boo. You got to pull up to the rail.
Okay, I ain't your boo, but I'll stay right here. Please give me another McDouble.
We will once we receive the old McDouble.
Okay, give me another McDouble.
This possessed Karen decided to wreck this store while screaming at the top of her lungs all over a petty argument. This lady needs to be put into Arkham Asylum.
$3? I know that's right. That's what you make an hour. Okay. You don't want to be disrespected? Don't be disrespected. Don't be disrespected.
What
the? Don't be Chelsea! Chelsea! I'm from Chelsea too! Chelsea! Chelsea! I'm a business. You got a job! You got a job! You got a job! You got my money in your hand! You got a job!
What is happening?
Where is Chelsea, Ayala? Where is Chelsea, Shaka? Where is Chelsea? Where is Chelsea?
So this Karen was upset her sandwich was taking too long to be made, so she decided to harass the workers. Like that wouldn't slow down the process anymore, Karen. Let's take a look.
Minutes for a single sandwich, and I'm about to miss a flight. So I appreciate it if you could put a cap in your stuff. Doesn't take that long to put egg and bread together. So again, you don't want to make sandwiches? There's hundreds of billions of places higher. Find something you
I already
like
made the
to do.
sandwich.
Then what the are you giving it away or trying it out? I paid for it. That sounds even stupider. Is that one mine? Thank you.
So this entitled Karen thought she can finesse a more expensive drink for a lower cost because her cheaper drink was not available at the time. Did she end up getting it? Let's find out.
What?
Iced caramel mochato.
Macchiato?
Oh, macchiato. You are so right. Yes, can you make it $2?
It's going to be $3.58.
But I wanted the $2 iced coffee. You said you do not have iced coffee.
Do you want a macchiato? We have no iced coffee. The macchiatos are $3.58.
Well, yeah, since you do not have that iced coffee for $2, then can you give me that instead for the $2?
I can't do that, ma'am.
Okay, let me speak to your manager, please.
Yeah, you could do that at the first window.
Can you give us? Can you show me your manager on the window, please?
I just said you could go to the first window.
Not the window. I don't want to wait in line if you're not going to convenience me.
Sweetheart, can I help you?
Hi, are you the manager?
This is the manager. How may I help you?
Yes, okay. Your associate said that you do not have a $2 any size iced coffee. So instead I said, could I get the iced caramel macchiato for $2 since you do not have an iced coffee and since that is considered iced coffee?
Yes, sweetheart. We can't do that.
Okay, well skip the coffee.
We don't have iced coffee at the moment, so that's why. We can only do the hot coffee or orange juice or sweet tea or fruit punch, water or high C, and then we have milk. We also have chocolate and white milk.
No, I was looking for caffeine as in coffee, not to pop.
We can only do hot coffee, sweetheart. No, or lattes. But other than that, I can't do anything else because we don't have much.
Well, since you cannot compensate me for my time and money that's spent on the gas here to get this product, could you please just give me a sandwich?
I cannot do that, sweetheart.
Oh, I'm paying for it, so yes, you can.
This sour-mouthed Darren started cussing at this worker and giving them a hard time, but these fast food workers were not having it. Let's take a look.
Enjoy your day.
That's not stuff. I want all my money.
We're giving you your refund, sir.
Yeah, I understand. My refund, he can't even give me the right change.
What was your order?
It was a double. It was a Coke. Okay.
You don't even remember your order?
It's a number one, $9.49. It was $9.60-something. And he's gonna try to give me $6. Fuck you.
Okay, you will have serious problems, sir.
Yeah, you have a serious problem. You don't know how to run a place.
Oh, I don't? And you don't know how to be a decent human being.
That's correct. I'm not.
Exactly. We
You're
all
damn
see
right.
it.
You believe this?
Do you believe
Hey man,
it?
I'm not involved, brother.
Do you guys hear this, man? What the f*** you guys doing, huh? And so trying to serve all you guys. Be thankful or cook your own lunch.
Hey, f*** you.
Tell me something I don't know, sir.
I'll call the police and have them come give me my change. Yeah, let's see the fool that you got running this place.
Shut the up.
All right, rude.
Yeah, I am. Get used to it. I know. I'll be happy to call the cops, sir.
Call.
I'll be happy.
Call. Please call. Call the police. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'll wait.
What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Jeff, what's your last name?
I'm not giving that to you. Call the police. Call the police. Believe this nonsense? You're just staying on this side. I understand.
Well, that's all for the video today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below what you think about these Karens on today's hunt, and also take a look at these other videos on the screen for more crazy Karen action. GB's out this bitch. Peace.